Welcome to my channel, Just Wait TV.
A glacier is a large crystalline ice, snow, rock, sediment, and often liquid water that originates on land and moves downslope under the influence of its own weight and gravity. The Franz Josef Glacier is a 12-kilometer-long temperate maritime glacier in Westland Taipotini National Park on the west coast of New Zealand's South Island. Today, the Franz Josef Glacier area is the third most visited tourist spot in New Zealand and one of the main tourist attractions on the west coast. It had around 250,000 visitors a year in 2008, increasing to 700,000 a year in 2017. It used to be possible to walk up to the glacier, but in March 2012, the terminal phase of the glacier collapsed and it is now too dangerous to approach. Signs warn against crossing the safety barriers at the lookout. As of 2020, the valley walk ends at a lookout about 50 meters from the main terminal phase of the glacier.
High five again. High five. High five again. High five.
Visiting the glacier now requires a helicopter flight past the unstable terminal phase. An alternative option to view the glacier is via the 8-hour day hike up the 1,303 meters, overlooking the Franz Josef Glacier and valley below. The Franz Josef Glacier and its background of mountains is worth waiting long to see on a clear day. It is one of the most remarkable glaciers in the world. And so right after we finish the track, going to the lookout of the scenic view of the glaciers, these three kids enjoyed these stones going up and down. This is all for today. Hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe.